fanson mention. Amen. Inapopun sipatimonikic. Sipatimonikic lan edge approach ni God. Today church. Med as a tune nombre no ngunun God lan church. Because we are following program rituals instead of relationship. Ika pa sa to fel. Oh yes, I'm so lang. Ika pa to ria wana tumitale afalafal iwa pa fukuno lang kapasun ko. Nei pumukaya afalafal likanaya men lanen week way afalafal. It's ritual. Traditions. But no relationship. How do we get the presence of God back in the church? Get rid of rituals and get with relationship.